Hi guys, I'm just going to show you a really quick and easy cupcake recipe. This recipe will give you about 12 cupcakes. Everything can be bought from your local supermarket. So here we go. My lovely assistant is going to go through the ingredients with us.
Hello.
So we have here 6 ounces of sunflower margarine. You can use butter if you prefer. 6 ounces of caster sugar. 6 ounces of sifted self-raising flour. 3 beaten eggs. Half a cup of milk. And half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Just a quick note, the eggs and the margarine need to be at room temperature. Right, so now we're going to start mixing. You can use a mixer, you can mix by hand, or you can use one of these, which is my personal preference. To start mixing the ingredients, caster sugar goes in first, then the margarine. Now we're going to start mixing until it's light and fluffy. It's handy to have a spatula on the side to keep the bowl nice and tidy. And the mixer should look like this, nice and creamy. We're going to add the eggs in, and make sure you add the eggs slowly so this stops curdling. Now we're going to add the vanilla paste. Mix that in together. So at this point it should look something like this, nice, light and creamy. So now we're going to add the flour and fold that in. And now we're going to add the milk in slowly and mix that in. Here we go, lovely smooth mixture, all done. Now that the case is all ready, thank you. I'm going to share a little secret with you. To get nice even scoops, this is what I use. We take a nice even scoop and drop it in like this. So we preheat the oven 180 degrees. We're going to set the time on for 18 minutes, but keep an eye on them as well for yourself. All done. These smell lovely. Generally, if they bounce back, they should be done. The inside should look like this, nice and fluffy. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Well, thank you for watching and see you next time.